Hey everyone, it's Chaz Williams with Infinite Real Estate again. I'm here in Lehi at the point of the mountain. If you're familiar with the area, you'll know what I'm talking about. But I'm at one of our newest listings at the brokerage. It's listed by Colin, and this one's a pretty good one. It's a 4-bed, 3-bath, about 3,600 square feet. Some things that you're gonna like: there's an open concept like in the kitchen, living room. The garage is epoxy coated, so you don't have to worry about it. It's got a pretty nice backyard for the area, really close to a lot of parks. It's a couple minutes drive from the Thanksgiving Point Megaplex, so there's lots of things to do. You'll never run out of things. It's just 5-6 minutes off the freeway, so if you need to go to Salt Lake, down to Provo, wherever, it's right in the perfect location for that. I hope you guys enjoy it. Again, if you know anyone that's wanting to move to the area, or if you're curious about learning kind of where in Utah you might want to end up, reach out to me. I'm happy to help, and really familiar with the area. I've been here for about 12 years now. Love it. There's tons of things to do, lots of trails. If you're into the outdoors, Utah's definitely the place for you. And then we also love our food here. So if there's something that's good in Texas, usually someone's brought it here to Utah. If you're thinking about moving to the area, let's set up a time. We can talk, kind of go over your goals for what you want, and go from there. Again, Chaz with Infinite Real Estate, your Utah real estate expert.
Welcome to this beautifully remodeled home in the prestigious Traverse Mountain community of Lehi, Utah. Nestled just minutes away from the outlets at Traverse Mountain and a variety of popular restaurants, this residence promises modern comfort and convenience in an idyllic setting. With Thanksgiving Point's myriad attractions for kids and quick freeway access, the location couldn't be more perfect for both families and commuters. As we step inside, you're immediately greeted by a spacious, light-filled floor plan that showcases stunning views. The fresh new carpet and paint create a bright and inviting atmosphere, complemented by elegant light fixtures that add a touch of sophistication throughout. The open kitchen, featuring a gas stove, is perfect for culinary adventures, while the cozy fireplace in the living area invites you to relax and unwind. The epoxy finished garage floor is not only practical, but also adds a sleek, polished look. The fully landscaped, low-maintenance backyard is an oasis of tranquility, ideal for outdoor relaxation and entertainment. Thoughtful details like shiplap accents in the mudroom and bathrooms add a touch of charm and character to this modern home. The master suite is a true sanctuary, complete with double sinks, a separate shower, and a luxurious jetted tub in the master bath. The generous walk-in closet provides ample space for all your wardrobe needs. With an unfinished basement, there's plenty of room for growth, offering endless possibilities to tailor the space to your needs. This home in Traverse Mountain is more than just a place to live, it's a lifestyle. Embrace the perfect blend of luxury, convenience, and comfort in this remarkable property. Thank you for joining us on this tour, and we look forward to helping you make this house your new home. I'm Chaz Williams, your go-to Utah real estate expert. If you have any questions or are interested in buying or selling a home, don't hesitate to reach out. Call or text me at 801-636-7080. Let's make your real estate dreams a reality. Subscribe for more videos of the beautiful state of Utah.